In one of our previous videos, we asked you guys about this door and whether we should paint it white or keep it natural wood with a clear finish. We really appreciate everybody's feedback on that. There were so many comments and we always love your guys' feedback and seeing what you guys think. We've made a decision and today is painting day, so let's get started. This is so exciting actually to be painting Maverick's room, because that means we're that close to getting this done. I got a few questions about these the other day. I was wearing these sunglasses while I was working and you guys were saying why the sunglasses inside. And actually, these are my safety glasses and I always keep a pair of these on hand and I just like them. These are the glasses I wear all the time whenever I do any kind of work that involves safety. And I didn't really have a good reason to be wearing them the other day, other than trying to look cool. And my eyes were really tired and stressed. I was having eye fatigue and I was thinking that if I wore sunglasses it would help them not be so strained. So I don't know if it helped, but sometimes it feels like it does. We're gonna keep working and we'll catch you guys when it's a little further along. Alright guys, the first coat is on the walls. Everything looks really good. You can see over here, it's a little more blotchy where the brown paper was, because the brown obviously is going to show through, but I don't think it's too bad. So first coat of paint, done. Now as I was saying about the door, we made a decision and we've decided to keep it natural. We're not going to be painting it. You guys were right, it's just gonna look better leaving it wood, and if we don't like it, if we change our mind, it's easy to paint it white later. So for now, we're gonna pick up a clear coat of something. I don't know if we're gonna oil it or seal it with some kind of something else, but we're gonna clear coat it to protect the wood and leave it as is. I think it's gonna look really good. The paint dried overnight, it's looking really good. Good coverage for our first coat over brown. We're going to go ahead and hit it with a second coat right now and it should be done, hopefully.
Better not. Little boy.
So the room came out really good. Everything looks white and clean and you can't really... It looks good. It's finished. So now that the paint is done, we're going to start working on the woodwork for the closet. And I already cut it and brought it in the house. I have some pieces right here. If you guys have seen our other bedroom remodels, you'll know that we use some 4x4 posts around the closet, so we're carrying that theme through here. On this room, we're doing it a little bit different. I'm going to put a post right here in the corner, but I'm also going to have one coming up along the ceiling, kind of like our bedroom, just higher up. And we will be capping off this section too later on. So first I have to sand down this wood. So I'm done sanding these down for the most part. I had to glue some, wait for that to dry, but I want to start getting them put in place. So I'm going to be attaching them with these long finish screws. And I have my marks made, so I'm just going to get these started. And hope that they're in the right spot and hit the nailers in the ceiling.
So that looks good.
And this last piece, it's not cut to length yet, but it's actually going to be going right under here against the wall to kind of mimic a post on the other side. This is a 2x4 I bought. These are 4x4 Douglas fir. So I found a Douglas fir 2x4 to match the same kind of red tones. And I ripped it to be a little bit thinner, actually 7/8 of an inch. And it'll go right there.
After the floor goes down.
Yeah, this one's going to be more like trim. These are structure, this is trim. Looks good, Ash.
Yeah, it does. That helps bring the room together.
I guess it's time to get the new ceiling light up and get rid of this dangler.
Is that what it's called?
This is going to be the same identical light to Belle's room. We like how it works. So we got 2 of those, and it's actually the same light as our bedroom, but our bedroom is a larger version. Okay.
Let's try it out.
Works. This box is for the smoke alarm. We don't have that yet. We're going to be picking it up probably tomorrow, and then we'll get that installed, and that finishes off the ceiling. I guess now Ashley's going to start putting the light covers, switch covers on the outlets. Plate covers. Ashley's going to start putting the outlet plates. What are
Covers.
they called?
I don't know. I just call them
On the
outlet
outlets,
covers.
seal those up so they're nice and safe, and thermostat and heater. Then we're done for the night. Nice.
Do not show that. I'm used to it, like, at least sticking up there while you're starting, you know? It looks really crooked to me. The outlet. Does it to you?
Looks straight from my camera. Yeah, that's fine. You're choking me. So here it is, guys. We're going to wrap up this video, but this is what we got done. We got the walls painted. We got the beams in. We got the heater hooked up. Thermostat on. We got the new light. Oh, Ashley got all the switch plates. Not switches. Whatever they are. These outlet covers on.
There you go.
So what's next?
Flooring.
All that should be coming soon. But as always, we appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.
I'm also adding a little bit of do these dark spots, just trying to thicken them up a little bit. I don't know if it makes a difference. You're not supposed to go back over a wall while it's wet.